Once again, good evening to each and every one. Welcome to Jeff and Anna Love's wedding reception. By the way, my name is Stanley Santos, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion, Philippines. And let's enjoy this evening. A round of applause. Tonight calls for a day of celebration, and I'm extremely delighted that all of you are here to celebrate for Jeff and Ann Love's wedding day. And I'm welcoming here in Pinagduro, Alhasam for Noguera and Ladera nuptials dinner wedding reception. Tonight is a special night not only for a couple, but of course for the loving family, relatives, and friends who are here with us, because this day marks the new beginning of their lives, being together as husband and wife. So please make yourself cozy and fine for any little seats as we're about to start the lovely program for tonight. From where I'm situated right now, it is evident in everyone's expressions that you guys are all excited to meet and witness our newlywed couple who just become one. So without further ado, may I request everyone to please all rise. Let us all stand up. Because tonight calls for a grand celebration, and it's my distinct pleasure to introduce to you our newlywed couple who just entered the world of marriage. A big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Mr. and Mrs. Noguera on the grand entrance. Let's give them a big round of applause. What a lovely couple who just entered the world of marriage. Once again, a big round of applause for Jeff and Ann Ladera Noguera, our newlywed couple who just entered the world of marriage. A big round of applause once again for Mr. and Mrs. Noguera on the house. Alright. May I request, request our couple to be here on our top of our stage. A short interview for our newlywed couple. How are you, Jen? How are you, Anne?
I'm good, thank you.
How about for Jeff? Can you give a few words to all the persons who came for that lovely event?
Maraming salamat sa lahat ng pumunta.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Alright, may we request one word at least from the husband and wife? Alright, congratulations to both of you. We all wish that you may have a happy and long life together with your future children. Yun naman talaga. Have a seat na po. To all the participants, have a seat na po. Dahil na pag-uusapan ang number of kids, we will ask, mga ilang kids? Isang dosena po ba? 4. Bakit po 4?
Kasi 2 plus 2 equals 4.
How about po kay ma'am? Mga ilang kids kaya ang gusto natin sa ating couple, sooner or later?
Dalawa lang, 1 boy, 1 girl.
Ayun. How about for our second table? Mga ilang kids kaya?
Mga 12. Para ano, may travel yung sarili ko.
Alright, we will ask our lovely couple, Jeff and Anne. Mga ilang kids kaya ang gusto niyo? Sooner or later?
Basketball player. Dalawa.
Bakit po dalawa? How about po kay Sir Jeff? 4. 4. Kaya ko din ma'am? 4?
Hindi.
Bakit po?
Okay.
Kaya. Sana kayanin po yun, no? Miss Christine Rose to lead the opening prayer.
I'll be my son. Everybody. And then the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Dear Heavenly Father, we gather here today to celebrate the union of these two souls, Anne and Jeff. Bless their love, guide their journey together, and fill their hearts in joy and understanding. May their days filled with laughter, the challenges met with the strength, and their lives enter in the faith and hope. Amen. In the name of the Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Amen.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Christine, for that wonderful prayer for tonight. May I request all the guests, to our lovely couple, please all settle down. We're going to have our warm-up game entitled to do. We need to ask first our lovely guests for their answer for our questions. And we need to verify our answers from our newlywed couple kung correct ba. Dahil afterwards, mabibigyan kayo ng prize. Tumataginting na 1 million pesos. Gusto niyo yun? Ayun naman talaga. How about for the second table? Ready na po ba sila sa Who's Who wedding game? Ready! Meron po tayong mga placards. How about for the third table? Yes. Alright. Brace yourself for our first question. Alright, please listen carefully. Our first Who's Who question. Who is better in cooking? Sino ang magaling magluto? Is it the bride or groom? Is it Jeff or Anne? What is your answer for our first question, First May?
Right! I love kare-kare!
Taas ng energy. How about po kay Ma'am Ang po pangalan nila?
Yeah.
Mildred, how are you doing for tonight?
Right.
How are you doing for tonight?
I'm good.
Okay, really fabulous and wonderful for tonight. Anyway, our question goes this way. Who's better in cooking? Is it Jeff or Anne?
Anne.
Why? Justify your answer.
Baking. No, baking is different from cooking. Shanghai.
Ayun naman talaga. Totoo ba yun, Anne? Magaling kang mag-cook ng sushi. Okay.
Sample
How about
naman.
for our third table? Alright, welcome to our new guest. How are you? Good. You look so fantastic. You look so fantastic. Alright. For our question, who is better in cooking? Si Jeff ba or si Anne? Why Anne? That's good. Alright. We will now find out the answer if it's correct ng ating mga guests. Tama ba na si Anne ang better in cooking or magaling magluto? Is it correct?
Correct.
And yung may tamang answer, mabibigyan ng prize afterward. Our second question, who is better in kissing? Sinong magaling tumuka? Sinong magaling humalik? Si Jeff ba or si Anne? Punta tayo sa ating first table. Ma'am, kumusta po ma'am? Anong pangalan nila?
Miles.
Ma'am Miles, ang ganda mo ngayong gabi. Sinong inspirasyon mo po?
Shout out!
For our question, who is better in kissing or the better kisser? Is it Jeff or Anne?
Jeff,
Why first?
kasi nguso pa lang, alam na.
Tama ba ang sagot? Anne. Correct ba? Ako naman tayo ni Sir Jeff, ang ating groom for tonight. Sir, you look handsome for tonight. Ang gwapo mo naman. Sir, sino pong inspirasyon mo bukod kay Anne? Oo. Yung parents mo rin, no? Inspirasyon mo din sila. Right? Alright, for our question. Who is better kisser or better in kissing? Ay ko. Pwede mo ba patunayan sa amin? Kung magaling ka humalik? Ganito ang gagawin natin. Magbibilang tayo, hindi tayo magtitigil magbilang. Hindi rin sila titigil mga tupakan. Ito na talaga, hanggang 10 para mas matagal. Who is the better kisser, the better in kissing? We will find out right here, right now. Come on, pakita mo kami. Tayo mo tayo. Ayun. Ayun. One. Wala pa. Patagalan. Two. Wala. One. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Wala pa. Seven. Eight. Nine. 10. Pwede mo na siyang ihika. Charot lang. Anyway, for our third question, ladies and gentlemen, raise your flag if you know the answer. Let's all participate. Who is more responsible? Responsableng asawa. So ngayon, kasi ang mag-asawa na kayo, di ba? Who is more responsible? Is it the bride or the groom? Is it Jeff or Ann? Come on, raise your placards! Punta doon tayo sa third table. Sir Marky! Sir, sino kasama mo yung gabi? Kasama mo siya ngayong gabi?
Wala akong kasama ko.
Sir, may tanong ako if you don't mind. Sir, bakit ka mag-isa ngayong gabi?
Kasi mag-isa na.
Ganun talaga. Anyway, hindi na tayo magpapalang question. Ang question natin, who is more responsible? Jeff o si Ann?
Si Jeff.
Why po?
Kasi pag hindi inuman kami, napakaano yan. Pag inuman talaga, number 1 yan.
Number 1. Wala kang number 2. Dito naman tayo sa ating new guest for tonight. What is the name of this family?
Grupa.
Ano po? Piero? Ruby Rose po pangalan ng family name nila? Binion. Alright, welcome to the wedding reception of Jeff and Ann. For our question, who is more responsible? Si Jeff po ba? Ay, napagamit ng telephone sa sir. Ano ang answer natin dito? Who is more responsible? Is it the groom or the bride? Come on, raise your placard.
The groom,
The
syempre.
groom. Why the groom?
Syempre siya yung nagiging tahanan.
Yun, no? Pasok yun, sir. Hi, sir. Good evening. Ano po pangalan po nyo? What's your good name, sir?
William.
Alright, welcome to the lovely wedding reception. Who is more responsible? Is it the bride or the groom? Bakit po? Ayun naman talaga. Manginginom ka ba, sir? Drunken master ka ba? Manginginom. Anyway, we will justify or we will figure out what is your answer for this question. Who is more responsible? Is it you, Ann, or Jeff?
It's the groom.
Why the groom?
Kasi ganito yan eh. Siguro sa 9 years namin magkasama.
Okay.
Sa beses na ako hindi naging responsable. Yun yung time ng birthday ni William, nalasing ako. Kinabukasan, hindi ko siya natin sa work. Tulog.
Isa lang.
Pero, yun lang.
Isa lang ang alam ni Ann.
Diba lang?
The best to the best.
O, sa gilid na to. Bawat isa sabihin natin, 1, 2, 3. Yun pala yun. Alright, moving forward with our next question. Who made the first move or gumawa ng unang hakbang? Parang bata. For their love. Is it the bride or the groom? Sino unang nag-first move? Is the bride or groom? Come on, raise all your placards. Hi, Kuya. What is your answer? Come on, raise your placards. Is it the bride or groom? Who made the first move? Sabay-sabay kayo yung sagot ninyo in 1, 2, 3. Bride. Sabay-sabay kayo. Who made the first move? Sabay-sabay na sagot. Come on. Why bride?
Kasi, when I met Jeff and Ann, si Choco, he is flexing and sumunod daw sa kanya dito sa Bahrain. So that's why. Pero, in general, it's groom because budoy-budoy si Choco, he always do the first move.
Ayun naman talaga. Is it correct? Both of you are responsible. I mean, we the first move.
Him.
It's you, Jet. Can you please justify your answer?
First move kasi ako wala nag-record sa kanya. After nung makita ko siya, after nung 5 years. Graduate ko siya nung high school. So after 5 years, nakita ko siya sa isang mall. So, nalaman ko.
May crush pa
Yun
rin.
naman pala talaga. Nasaan po yung isang mic natin mga sir? Nagbibigay ko lang sa ating lovely couple. Okay na. Hello, Micah, hello. Alright.
Ganda.
Next question, ladies and gentlemen. Who is the first one to have a crush on the other? Sino muna nagkagusto? Sino ang marunong sa kanilang dalawa? Si bride or si groom? Si Jet or Ann? Sino kaya? Raise your placards. Tabo tayo sa ating new guest for tonight. Hi sir, what is your good name? How are you doing for tonight? Kumusta ka po? I'm doing good. Alright, for our question, who is the first one to have a crush on the other? Sino ang nagkagusto? Sino marunong sa kanilang dalawa? Si Jet or si Ann? Why po? May question mark, why po?
Usually ganun yung mga lalaki o lalaki.
Patunayan natin ngayon kung talagang nagkagusto si Jeff kay Ann.
Sino?
Meron bang mga moments na umaga
Sino?
nagiging sweet ka sa kanya? Jeff kay Ann? Or all the time lagi kayong sweet to each other?
Hindi. Hindi.
Hindi.
Lagi naman.
Lagi kayong sweet to each other. Ganito, ang tanong, paano mo nilalambing si Ann? Pag nagagalit.
Kanta kaya sa bingo.
Si Jeff muna. Paano mo nilalambing si Ann pag nagagalit siya sa'yo?
Ang ginagawa ko, pag galit siya sa akin, kinakausap ko lang siya ng English.
English? Bakit pa English?
Tapos na nakatawa siya.
Ah, totoo.
Kasi yung English niya, barok-barok, ang galing.
Okay, baro-baro. How about si Ann? Paano mo nilalabing si Jeff? Pag nagagalit naman siya sa'yo, nagagalit? Yun, vice versa.
Usually, pag galit siya, galit din ako. So, siya talaga yung naglalambing.
After ba ng away, may nangyayaring lovemaking? Lovemaking. Di ba ganon? Tama ba? Pagkatapos ng away, may harutan after. Kahit walang away, naghaharutan.
Kasi
Art or what?
Anyway, moving forward with our next question. Who spent more time on social media in terms of our Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter? I will repeat the question, ladies and gentlemen. Who spent more time in social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or yung Bumble? Bumblebee. Char! Alright, come on, raise your placards, ladies and gentlemen. Gawin natin memorable ang okasyon na to with our beloved couple. Bakit si Groom?
Kasi nahuli namin ni Mark, dalawa yung account niya sa Facebook.
Nilagaw yung isa, nilagay yung isa.
Sir, may revelation. Dalawa po ba yung account mo, sir? Sir, tapos yung sarili mo. Come on, bakit dalawa po?
Hindi, ganito lang. Yung cellphone ko kasi nung dati, Xiaomi phone. China.
Ah, okay.
So, lagi nalalagaw yung Facebook ko, automatic. Pero isa lang ang Facebook ko. Hindi nga ako nag-Facebook. Totoo yun.
Okay lang yan, kasal na kayo.
Alright. Ito na talaga. Third to the last question, ladies and gentlemen. Raise your placards if you know the answer so that you'll be receiving a prize afterwards, after this program. Next question. Who is most affectionate? Sino kaya? Malambing. Affectionate. Clingy. Kumbaga, clingy or cleaning. Sino mas malambing sa kanilang dalawa? Is it the bride or groom? Come on, raise your placards, ladies and gentlemen. Come on. Who is most affectionate? Malambing or clingy? Sino kayo maliging? tayo kay ma'am. Dito. Ito naka-beach color. Hi ma'am, I'm sorry. What is your answer for our question? Who is most affectionate? Is it the bride or groom? Is it Jeff or Anne? Why po? It's the groom. Anyway, we will find out the answer. It is correct. Is it you, Jeff? You're more affectionate.
Yes, I am.
Why po?
Ano lang? Hira naman din kasi ako magaling.
Tira.
Kasi magaling siya, tapos nagaling ako wala.
Tira na siya. Okay. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, second to the last question. Who's acting like a baby when they quarrel or there's a misunderstanding? May hindi pagkakaintindihan, hindi pagkakasundo. Who's acting like a baby? Is it the bride or the groom? Come on, raise your placards! Gawin natin yung mga palangasyon na to, ladies and gentlemen. Huwag kong mahihiya, huwag kong remember. Ito na kayo mga. Hi po, good evening, what's your good name?
Yeah. So, I think si Anne yung nagpapa-baby. Yeah, kasi pag sila nag-aaway sila, hindi siya nagsasalita, hindi siya nalabas ng kwarto, kumakain. Alam niya.
Yun na naman pala. Alright, is it correct? You are the acting baby, Anne. Pag nagkakaroon kayo ng di pagkakaintindihan.
Minsan. Hindi
Minsan.
na tatanggapin ko na. Pero totoo yung sinabi natin Irish. Kapag magkaaway kami, hindi siya kinakausap. Ganun. So pag tahimik ako, ibig sabihin ko din ako.
Ito ang question. Okay na ba magtanong? Ano ang madalas na nag-aawayan?
Maliit na bagay. Kumari,
Like?
pag makalat. Wala naman ganun malaking away na.
Wala malaking away.
Never.
Na-witness ba ng ating mga guests na hindi talaga sila parang lagi nag-aaway? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, who will fight for the love to each other? Sino ang kaya ipaglaman ang kanilang mga nararamdaman ng kanilang pagmamahalan? Is it you, Jeff, or Anne, or both sila? Come on, raise your placards! Who will fight for their love to each other? Is it the bride or the groom? Will it be Jeff or Anne? Come on! Shout your answer! Bride or groom? Right! Tanungin natin yung ating new guest. Hi ma'am, good evening. How are you? What is your good name?
Jenna.
How are you?
Very good.
Very well, good.
Very sexy.
Your question goes this way. If you'll be given the chance to change one part of your body, what is that and why?
Okay. That's
Candidate number 1.
my thoughts.
Why po yung fans nila? Bakit po? Please justify your answer.
To make sexy.
Make sexy. Anyway, you already look fabulous and sexy with your outfit for tonight. Your question goes this way. Who will fight for their love? Is it the bride or groom? Will it be Jeff or Anne? Come on.
Absolutely, Anne.
Why Anne?
I have no idea. I think something like that.
Something like that.
Yes.
Mamaya pag narinig natin yung sagot nila, sabihin natin na, oh. Sabay-sabay ha? Alright, question para sa inyo, Jeff and Anne. Who will fight for the love of each other? Come on, mag-chorus kayo. Who will fight for each other? Is it you, Jeff, or Anne, or both of you?
Right.
The bride.
Sa akin, ano,
O sige, ulitin mo yung sagot ha. Tapos sabihin natin, Tapos, Joseph ha. In 1, 2, 3. Who will fight for the love of each other? Is it you, Jeff? Or Ann? Come on.
Both.
Hold down.
Ano, parang ating game na. Anyway, what is your answer for that? Who will fight for the love of each other? Both of you. Bakit? Justify the answer. Ipaglalaban hanggang dulo.
Kasi pag mahal mo, kailangan ko pala.
Pag mahal mo, paglalaban. Elaborate your answer, sir.
Since ako naman yung nauna dito, dahil yung sumunod. So, break na lang.
Break na lang.
That's why I'm here.
Eto na talaga, ladies and gentlemen. Dito kay sa harapan ulit. Oo. Eto na talaga. Ulitan na natin yung question natin a while ago. Get ready for all your phones. Bring out all your phones. Magbibilangan ulit tayo. Magbibilangan ulit tayo. Bring out all your phones. Who is the better kisser? Who is the better in kissing? Come on, magtukaan ulit kayo. Ang ating finale question. Who is the better kisser? Pakitaan mo kami, Jeff and Ann. Come on, magbibilangan ulit tayo in 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's say all together. Congratulations, Jeff and Ann. Come on. Congratulations, Jeff and Ann. Our beloved couple, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera on the house, who just tied the knot. Eto na talaga, bring out all your phones. Because at this moment, at this point of time, we will witness our couple, for their couple's marriage vow. Couple's marriage vow are solemn promises, a pledge or personal commitment of a couple against each other during the wedding ceremony. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, we will witness Jeff and Ann as they're going to have their marriage vow for each other. Let's give them a big round of applause.
Hi. Gusto ko lang sabihin, simulan ko sa pasasalamat. Salamat kasi natitig ka. Salamat kasi sa sobrang tagal ng pinagsamahan natin, hindi ka nainig. Nanatili ka. Salamat sa siyang na taon, kaya pangamay voice. Marami na tayo na pagdaanan at pagkadaanan pa. Masaya, kalungkot, tampuhan, inisan. But I promise you na pagdadaanan lang natin yung pagkasama. We do not have so many things in common. Sobrang dami. Magkaiba tayo. Mahilig ka kumain ng sushi, ako hindi. Pero hindi yung dahilan para hindi kita samahan kumain sa isang Japanese restaurant. Mahilig ka manood ng series na Korean sa Netflix. Ako, hindi. Mahilig ka manood ng Itbulaga.
Flower Cats.
Flower Cats.
Kami din hindi. Ito man na lang.
Pero sasamahan pa din kita kasi may TV naman. Manonood.
Hindi tayo namin yan eh.
I will always find ways to support you kahit na magkaiba tayo. Madami bang tayong pinagkaiba?
Bilig siya ko lang.
We are on the same page pagdating sa love.
Yes. Different word but the same page.
We are one of the living proof na opposite really attracts. Katapos ng gabi ko, madami magbabago. Babaguhin ko yung sarili ko to be better. To be the best husband to you. And to be the best dad sa mga magiging anak natin. Tingnan na natin mamaya.
Mamaya na!
Mahal kita. Ang siyang na taon na mas lalo ko rin ang mamahal. Salamat.
Wonderful message for Anne, coming from Jeff. What is your response, Anne, for Jeff? Come on.
Babe, Jeff, thank you for loving me so much.
English na naman.
Sorry.
Hindi nakakainig.
Despite of all my imperfection, topak, toyo, salte.
Ikaw yan.
Yeah, despite of all that, you never fail to show me how much you care and love me. I thank God kasi ikaw yung taong binigay niya sa akin. So I am truly blessed to be part of your life, which as of today become our life together. I vow to always choose you, no matter what. Ikaw pa rin yung pipiliin ko sa araw-araw. I promise to love you unconditionally. I love you, babe. That's all.
Oh my God, may tukaan na nangyayari. Now it become our celebration. And we just take up pose for a while from this entertainment and let us savor the food that we held for our dinner time at the back. Alright, for our first table, to the honor, please line up on our buffet area for our dinner time. And afterwards, we'll worship our program. Thanks so much.
Saan ba? Nandito?
I want some noise. Can you make some noise? Madlang people, mag-ingay! Tambuhan pa rin. Alright, it goes like this. When I say hep hep, you will respond to Ray. Hep hep.
Hooray!
More louder, say hep hep.
Hooray!
All together, say hep hep.
Hooray!
Alright, I love energy. Alright, for our lovely couple for tonight, we're done with our dinner time. And it's time for our dessert. As you can see, we have here a beautiful wedding cake being prepared by our lovely couple, Jeff and Anne. And at this point, request everyone to please bring out all your phones as we're going to witness our lovely couple for the cutting of the wedding cake. Alright, at this point, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for the dessert. We have here a beautiful wedding cake from Anne and Jeff. Alright, before you have the wedding cake, Anne and Jeff, I will tell you about the wedding cake. So it's the tradition of the wedding cake goes back to Roman times. When the cake of meal was crumbled over the bride's head, it will provide good luck and absolutely, it also provides fertility for our couple. Mga ilang kiss kaya ang gusto natin? Well, anyway, it also brings good luck to everyone who is it. Good tayo kayo doon. Not one per couple.
Yes.
Also brings good luck. Anyway, Anne makes the first slice for your wedding cake to be assisted by your groom, Jeff.
I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listen to our favorite song. When you say you look a mess, I whisper underneath my breath, but you heard it, darling. You look perfect now.
Alright, at this point, Anne, may I request you to please provide a piece of cake for Jeff.
Lakihan mo. Lakihan mo. Lakihan mo na yan. Lakihan na. Sige. Lakihan mo na yan. Lahat. Lahat. Halo.
Wow, naman subo. Ayun naman talaga. And it's your time, Jeff, to provide one piece, or I mean a piece of cake for Anne.
Sabay tito, sabay tito.
Siyempre, dapat. Ganti na.
Baka naman kamayin mo pa.
Kasi,
Bias.
Alright. Ladies and gentlemen, can we request one more time please from the husband and wife? Let's give a loud cheer for our newly couple. Ayun naman talaga. Napakatamis, Kuya Eddie. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our wine toasting. Alright, may I request all the guests please raise all your glasses. And at this point, we're going to have Miss Jen to lead the wine toasting. Alright.
Hi, good evening guys.
Good evening.
First of all, gusto ko lang mag-thank you to each and every one of you, our family here in Bahrain, for all coming here tonight, sharing your precious time with us. Para sa most awaited day ni Jeff and Anne. And to the newlyweds, I am so proud of you guys for reaching this far after a long wait.
Everyday na yan sa akin. Memorize niya yan.
Hindi pa ako nakapag-practice. Hindi pa yung time ko, pero I just wanna speak straight from my heart. Isa ako sa pinaka-happy sa araw na to para sa inyong dalawa. I hope you guys continue loving each other and just stay strong. Kasi strong na alam na iinumin ko tonight. Cheers to the newlyweds!
Alright. Let's raise all our glasses and let's make a loud cheer once again for your good couple, Jeff and Anne, who just entered the world of marriage, who just tied the knot.
Cheers!
Cheers, everyone!
Cheers, everybody!
Cheers!
Wait lang, bottoms up kasi yun.
Bottoms up pala.
Matasin mo namin for bottom songs.
Pakiulit!
Alright, we're gonna do it again. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, let's raise all our glasses and let's make a loud cheer once again for a new couple, Jeff and Anne, who just entered the world of marriage. Cheers, everyone! And let's say all together, congratulations, Jeff and Anne. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera.
Congratulations!
Alright. Congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera! We're going to witness our newlywed couple, Jeff and Anne, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera, on the first couple dance. May I request all of you guys to be here on the center of our stage. A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for our newlywed couple on the first couple dance. Ladies and gentlemen, there you are witnessing our newlywed couple on the first couple dance. Couple dance is all about putting on a show and honoring the most important guests. Gradually and traditional developed, which meant that the first dance between the newlywed couple symbolized a celebration for their love and union. A big round of applause once again for our newlywed couple, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera, who just tied the knot. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, our guests are having a feeling of wheels or the traditional Mali dance. Our pins and envelopes are available in each tables for those who want to pin some bills on their garments or on the ribbons of our newlywed couple. You may freely do so. According to our tradition, especially in our country, money pin or pin to the newlywed couple garments represents a wish that good fortune be rain upon them. It also means helping our newlywed couple financially as they begin their
Bakit may kurot?
lives together.
Tadi yun, sabi ko, sabi ko. Dito tayo kay Ana. Kay Anto ah. Grabe ha? Biba, lumalat ka dito.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, for those who want to dance our newlywed couple, you may freely do so.
Sayaw kayo.
Hindi nag-iip si Joseph.
Kaya nga siya pinaglagay ko eh, nung ano. Alisin mo na yung bandana mo.
Sabi sasayawan daw yung ano, sasayawan daw yung couple. Green, sarap ka dito.
Nasa pet ni
For their family, relatives, and friends, you may freely dance our newlywed couple. You may freely grab them. Pwede nyo silang i-dance.
Mercy, para sa aking friend. Ninang Gina,
Ladies and gentlemen, let's make a loud cheer once again for our newlywed couple, Anne and Jeff.
Kanina yan, sabi
This game with a quiz for our couple. Tinatawag pong charades. Ang ganun gagawin natin. We have a set of words here, either two words or single word. Ang gagawin, nung nasa likuran, kailangan niyang i-act it out. Our second word, mga ate at kuya, ito ang second word. Ito ang second word. Ito ang second word. Sino bang hindi nakakita? Ito ang second word. Ito ang second word. Ito ang second word. Now, act it out and be the first to guess this word. Come on! Pag alam ang sagot, pag-itaas ang kamay and be the first. Ano ang sagot, ate?
Wine glass.
Ang talino! Congratulations! Ito ang privilege ng unang nanalo. Mamili ka ng bayong na gusto mo. Come on! Mamili ka ng bayong na gusto mo. Come on! Isa lang. Sige, mamili ka. Dahil ikaw ang unang winner natin, may chance kang mamili. Mamili ka lang. Isa. O, itabi mo na yan. Paramihan ha, paramihan. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. Hold each other's hands. Hindi. May chance kang mapili. Bigyan natin ng chance. Ikaw ang bibigay. Siya na ang bibigay. Congratulations! Trade word is one.
Dito ka nila.
Come on! Act it out! Act it out! Sino? Pakita mo sa akin sila! Ay, hotdog. Nanalo siya. Congrats. Bigyan niyo ng prize ka. Bigyan niyo ng prize. Pero ha, ulitin ko, honesty is the best policy. Okay? Okay ka na talaga. We still have 3 for 5, 6. Meron pa tayong 6 prizes.
Sige, siya na lang kasi.
Hindi, ano?
Ay, siya na yun. Sorry si Jen.
Ulit, para makakuha kayo.
Papahirapan ko kayo. Papahirapan ko ang ating mga players.
Alam ko, hybrid. Favorite ko yun. Bakit hindi kami manunalo natin dyan ngayon? Maghihiwalay kami, sinasabi ko.
Gano'n? Ang magbobo mo eh. Balik kayo, pwede.
Ano?
May kinasabi.
Sige na. Get ready, couple and pairs, for our 4th trade word. Ito na talaga.
Huwag na nagbubulong dyan, ha?
Walang bulungan ah.
Ito ha, nakikita kayo ng ating Panginoon. Honesty is the best policy. Pag may nandaya, ulit ka ni Lord.
Walang nagbubulong.
Kailangan kanila. Alam niyo ang sagot? Anong sagot?
Wala pang marshal, di ba?
Wala pa nga.
Nag-fall out ka pa tayo.
Ang sasabi ako ng go ha, paunahan sa pasagot. Ano ang sagot? Pero ano naman gagawin? Act it out mo na.
Hindi, suminga? Suminga?
Ang galing talaga nito. Nanalo siya.
Wala kaming chance mag-acted out.
Ha? Wala ka siya.
Sabi ka lang dyan.
Ano?
Tomboy, tomboy. Wala kaming chance mag-acted out. Sabi kasi niya ganun.
Okay, nalasing niyo yung prize mo. Okay.
Hindi. Let's mag-acted out.
Ano gagawin natin ngayon? O sige, ganito na lang. Bigyan natin ng chance is dalawa lang yung prizes niyo. Thank you for joining. O sige na. O sige na. Bigyan. Usog-usog tayo. Usog tayo. Susit apart na kayo ginawa si apart.
Balik na lang kayo sa
Oh, 5 players hold each other's hand, and there's a 5th trapeze word. Ito na talaga. Ito na talaga. Ito na. Ito na. Ladies and gentlemen, come on! Ano sagot?
One glass!
Hindi
ka naman
Ang galing mo. Ikaw ang magbigay ng prize. Meron naman tayo natitirang 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. For pairs, kailangan nyo makareceive ng prizes dahil kundi, baka meron magkawin mo. Baka may maghihiwalay mo sa Ay, wag mo na excited ha, mga ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Eto na talaga, ang aling 6th word. Patunayan mo magaling ka ito. Charot lang. kumakain ng banana?
3 times a day.
Sulit pala yung banana. Gusto ko yan. Bigyan ng price yan. Ay, meron pa po. Ano pa sa kayo? O, sige na lang. Tatlo lang lang nila. Meron pa tayo. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meron pa tayo 4 na prices. 4 na prices. Meron pa kayo gusto sumali? Yung aking kayo po. Oo. Oh, sige. Dalawa na lang sila. Oo nga. Mas gusto sana mas marami.
Pwede pa kasi isa pa lang pwede na.
Oo nga. Sali pa kayo. Yung mga isinali.
Malaki premium ng anes.
Okay ka na. Next word.
Alis na unang
Next charade word will be... Ha! Tayo yung ha. Ha! Ito ang aking next word. Walang magbubulo ng sagot, happy honest.
Alis na unang.
Come on! Couples! Akin na!
Sing-sing.
Alam ko yun!
Ring-ring, wedding
Kasi
ring.
yun yung bibili niya sa akin. Sabi niya, sing-sing.
Yung tamang sagot.
Wedding ring.
Wedding ring.
Wedding ring.
Sing-sing.
Elaborate in front.
Wedding ring! Couple ring!
Ayun, nanalo na si Spain. Nanalo na si Spain. Nanalo na si Spain. Ito talaga yung moment mo. At least nanalo ka na. Wala nang mag-iiwalay mamaya. Ano kaya yung nagawa ni Ate? Ako na, hindi ako makikinig na. Kaya naman si Bipres si Mati Interfere. May price na kayo mag-isa, no? Okay! Get ready for our next charade word. Ito na talaga. Ito na! Ito na! Dubidu-bidu. Dubidu-bidu-bidu-ah. Dubidu-bidu. Akin ang couples, come on!
Puso.
Ano? Ano sa... Ano ba yun? Nawala po sila.
Donald.
O sige. Hinahin mo po. Sila na lang dalawa. Meron pa tayong... Ilan na lang yung pwede namin bebe? Dalawa, no? O ito. Meron pa tayong dalawang prizes. Who will be the last man standing with our charades game? We will find out right here, right now. Wala munang magbubukas na mental learning revelation afterwards. Okay, next word for you, ito. Ate, ito. Come on, akin ang couples. Come on. Ano ko? Tagalog po sa inyo yung English ko dapat. English. Oo, kasi yun nakalagay dito, English. Yun yun. Anyway, consolation prize sa ating other pair. Consolation prize lang sa inyo. Consolation prize. Alright! Ito na talaga. The revelation with our... Alamin natin kung ano ang laman ng bayo for our first winner. Pakita mo kami ng deco. Parang ganun. Ganun, parang... Ano ba yun? Sex bomb. Sex bomb. Ganun. O, sige nga. Go, come on. Ganyan. Okay. Ito na talaga. Kuya Joseph, ano ang laman ng unang bayo? Ipakita mo na yan. Come on! Ay, dito ba tayo sa mga position natin? Oh.
First time ko
Ano ang na-receive mo? Oh my God!
Thank you.
Hygiene package, congratulations! You received toothpaste and towels. Palakpakan mo siya. Ayan. Thank you, ate. You may take your receipt po. Ito. Yung moves na naman ng mga dito. Ganun muna. Wala tayo. Ladies and gentlemen, isang linya kasi lang tayo. sige na muna po tayo. Tapos na lang tayo, oh. Sabay-sabay, dito. Ganyan.
Madali, sama mo.
Oo. Kasi na, pare-pare si position ng mga kamay mo. Alright, in 1, 2.
Saan ka ba dito?
Sige yan na lang. In 1. Ate, mali ko
Okay,
to.
right muna.
In 1, 2. Ganyan. Ano kaya naman kayo? Malalaman natin sa mga susunod na banata. Alright! Thank you so much, ate. For our second winner, buksan na yan! Trip to Korea! Ano kaya naman kayo? Oh my God! Ano yan? Noodles? Bulldog noodles. Congratulations! Yes, ate, masaya ka naman sa nursing mo? Yes. Ito na talaga for our third winner. Ang na-receive mo ay Paris pa package. Buksan na yan!
Oh my God!
Ano naman na kayo?
This is for me.
Ang ganda. Ay, may gamit mo yan. Magamit mo yan. Sa mga kasukasuhan. Sa mga arthritis. Kung nag-activate ka. Congratulations sa'yo, ate. You receive 50% oil. Okay. Thank you. Our third winner, you receive hair treatment package. Buksan na yan.
Head and shoulder.
Ano naman na kayo? Ano yan? Oh my God! Congratulations! Anong message mo sa couple na receive mo yung pencil?
Thank you. Alam niyo na, nakikita mga conditioner.
Ayun pala, kaya pala. At mas magagamit na gamit ka na, no? Alright, for Miss Jen, you receive the relaxation package. Ano? Ang laman na kayo?
Ang naman ba yung ay pang matanda?
Ano yan? Oh my God! Tiger Balm Plaster! Pagtibalik pain, ayun yan, isa din yan, oh. For pain reliever. Thank you so much, Mr. Kasi. Okay, Chris May, ano na-receive mo? Ano na-receive mo ay fitness package? Buksan na yan! Ay, pag-fitness? Ano kinalaman mo?
Para pumayat sila, kailangan nila maglinis.
Kailangan mo maglinis. Yung
Kain ni Yuri to.
Dito lang makakain. Ay, wala mo sila sila. Okay. Whitening package for you. Yes, sir! Buksan na yan! Congratulations! Ay, meron din kayo powder. Ay, so... Ay, ano message mo sa couple? You receive this prize.
Salamat nakakatawa dito.
Okay, sa akin naman tayo sa akin to the last player. Ang nursing mo self-care package. Buksan na yan! Self-care? Ay, face mask. Oo, nauso kasi yung mga influencer yung mga
Ready for influenza.
infection for virus. Congratulations, mga ate kuya. Ang na-receive mo ay follower. Service package. Buksan na yan! Coffee ko. Coffee ko. Meron pa naman. Ay yan. Nagtatas ko yung sa puno. Gumagamit ka na. Meron pa na mag-i-plus pang araw-araw. Tuwing umaga. Thank you so much. Ate, ang na-receive mo kapabuhayan showcase. Ano ang laman ng huling bayo? Buksan na yan!
Favorite din namin to eh, kaya pabor.
Ay! Kasi kanto.
Lahan namin lang.
Oo, pumagahan. Congratulations! To all our winners! I hope you enjoy our simple parlor game. Maraming salamat! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we're going to witness and invite here in front of the stage the loving mother of our couple, our groom's mother. May we have here in front Mama Alia for her message for the little couple.
Yak na yan. Meron yakan.
Congratulations sa inyo dalawa. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo.
Wish ko lang.
Thank you na. Sa tingin ko naman, alam ko naman na sa tagal tagal ng pagsasama niyong dalawa, nakikita ko at nararamdaman ko mahal niyo ang isa't isa. Huwag sana kayo magbabago.
Kami lang to.
Yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, piling mo ganyan.
Sa letrang I, 17.
I love you. Hello! Hello!
Hindi mo na lang, kayo sinabi mo kanina sa embassy.
Oo, yun na lang.
Sinabi na, mag-night ka pa.
Okay. Congratulations, Jen.
Night.
Nakita ko at nararamdaman kong mahal ang isa't isa mula sa puso. Papasalamat ako at nagtyaga at matagal nung minamahal si Jen. Sa wakas, nakatuluyan ng ang wish ko sa inyo, mag-dating na agad kayo hanggat kaya mo pang mag-alaga. Dalawa o apat? Pwede pa. Bata pa kayo.
Pwedeng tatlo dalawa o apat.
Para kami dumami. I love you.
Ma'am.
Alright, thank you so much, Mama Aria, for that wonderful and heartwarming message. And at this point, ladies and gentlemen, may we also invite here Milger Tamisol in partner wish for the good couple.
Thank you for inviting us. And nagsasabihin ko, God bless.
Ano yung nasa puso ko?
God bless at saka stay strong. And I love you both.
Ang bigat.
Alright, thank you so much, Miss Milger, to this for a heartwarming message to our newlywed couple. Moving forward, may we also have Arnel.
Grabe ka daw. Ninong yan.
Oh my G! Ninong yan.
Daliyo. Ano ba kang Daliyo? Daliyo. Sabihin mo dyan sa matitiwala.
Yung nag-start
Dati
Oo.
Congratulations mo sa inyong dalawa. Nag-meet kami ni Jeff way December 2016. 1 year ako, 2015 ako, siya 1 year, and 2017. So nakita ko yung pagsasama nilang dalawa. Aso pusa.
Hindi naman!
Hindi ka hindi naman daw sila yun. Pero nakikita ko naman yung pagmamahal. Hindi ako nagtataka bakit kayo nandito lang kayo. Malaman lang kayo. Part of the family na.
Ladies and gentlemen, bigyan naman natin ng masigabong palakpakan another party. Let's go together for Mark. Mark Heras. Sayawan mo daw sila, Sir Mark Heras.
Brad, congratulations sa inyong dalawa ni Ann. Salamat sa pag-invite at siyempre, sa pag-ibigay natin, hindi niyo ako nakalimutan. Basta kung anong kailangan nyo, may tutulong ko, nandito lang ako para sa inyo. Natutuwa ako para sa inyo.
Maraming salamat, Kuya Mark. Hindi rin magpapahuli halika na dito sa harapan, Marison Rebuyon.
Gulatan sa gulatan.
Ay, hindi po. Record po dito, ma'am. Huwag ka pumahiya, tayo lang. Alright? Come up on the stage.
Well, congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Nakita ko naman from very young age nung nagsimula yung relationship mo. So, during that time, I was still in the Philippines. And nakita ko din kung paano sila nagsama, magkakasama kami sa flat. It's not easy to be a life couple, lalo na very talkative si Anne. So, that was really patient to handle Anne. Since magkasama na sila, I think I can open some of their secrets. But not everything. Pero, alam nyo naman na andito ako parating para sa inyong dalawa. So, kahit na ano pa yan, kung do you think na kailangan nyo ng advice as Anne, I'm always here for both of you. I love you both.
Ayun, palakpakan. Ito na talaga. Ito na! Bigyan natin ng masigabong palakpakan ng may kasamang hiyaman for our next party, Miss Christina.
Congratulations, Anne and Jeff. So sa mga daming okasyon na tinabla ko, etong celebration na to, hindi ko tatablahin, okay? So, na-witness ko din yung pagtira sa ating tiwala na kasama tong ating newlyweds. Magaling magluto, malinis sa bahay, at saka tupaking nga talaga si Anne. Mapagpasensya naman talaga si Jeff. Sunduin mo ako, babe! Ganyan natin si Anne. Eh si Jeff, kahit nag-ML, nanginginig pa. Gusto yan. But as Kuya Tati Jose, sinabi din ni Nyangga, nandito lang din ako para sa inyo, tatagan niyo yung relasyon niyo, kung ano man yung pinagdaanan niyo, nung kayo pa, na ano na magiging jowa, doble niyo yung pagtitiis, triple niyo yung pagmamahalan. I love you both. Congratulations.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, please move forward and come up on the stage with no less than Miss Marielle.
First of all, congratulations to both of you. I'm so happy and proud from the bottom of my heart. And I just wish you, like your marriage will bring you peace, love, and joy. And on behalf of Jay and me, we're so happy for both of you, and we both love you. Thank you.
Thank you so much for a thoughtful message, Miss Marielle. Second to the last in party, please come up on the stage, Mr. William.
Pastor yan, pastor.
Brad, congratulations, Brad. Hindi ko na-expect na magsasalita ako dito, Brad. Anyway, congratulations, Brad. Hope for the best. Ngayon, natali ka na. Wala nang atrasan sa Congrats, Brad.
Eto na talaga. Eto na. Ang pinakahuli, the last, but not the least, may we invite here in front of the stage our duo, Miss Jen and Chris May. Dalawa kayo. Duo. Oh, duo. Kasi meron kayong vlog. Oh. Dalawa kayo. Duo. Duo.
Hello, so now Anne and Jeff. Anyways, they are not just Anne and Jeff for me, they are my Beshi and my Marcy. So it's been so long since I've known them, since me and Ate Jen are together. It has been 5 years. It's been a roller coaster ride for you guys, and I've witnessed everything. All I can say is, Marcy, I'm always here to listen, even if it takes for us 5 minutes to wait in a traffic light just for you to vent out. I'm willing to listen for everything you want to say. And for Choco, I just want Choco to stop. Kasi si Choco budoy kasi siya eh. So I just want him to be formal kasi it's another step for them. Me and Ate Jen are, siguro kung may pinakamasayang tao dito, it's me and Ate Jen. Like, before kami matutulog, we always talk about them. And we're so happy that they ended up together like this. So Marcy and Choco, we are so proud of you. Like, to the highest level. And then, Ate Jen wants to say something.
Actually, because I'm not really prepared for this. I'm not expecting Chris May to talk in English straight. I really didn't bring any extra. But kidding aside, yes, sobrang happy ko na magkakasama tayong lahat dito para ma-witness yung wedding nila. I'm beyond grateful na finally magbubuo na sila ng sarili nilang family. And I'm really looking forward sa mga pamangkin na hindi ko lang magiging pamangkin, magiging baby ng lahat dito sa Bahrain. I love you guys.
So, Mars and Choco, Mars and Mexico, me, Ate Jen, and Tita are preparing something for you. So I want you to stay, I want you to stay in front and face the screen. This is something, I just wanted, I feel like it's very important for you. Mama.
Congratulations,
Jeff and Anlara, congratulations on your wedding day. As you embark to this beautiful journey of love and partnership, remember that love is a treasure that grows only when shared. May your marriage be filled with all the right ingredients. Kumbaga sa recipe, para masarap, ito sila. A hint of love, a dose of humor, a touch of romance, and a spoonful of understanding. Ayan, maluto ko na yung masarap. Wishing you a lifetime of joy, laughter, and endless love. Again, our best wishes.
Our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from our young couple, Anne and Jeff, to all the participants who came for tonight's lovely event.
Salamat sa inyo lahat. Actually, intimate lang itong wedding sa reception. Pero hindi lang talaga yung mamamasitan namin. So, lahat kayo special, kaya kayo nandito lahat. Maraming salamat sa inyong
Welcome, boy.
butoy. Yun lang. Maraming salamat sa inyo.
Sabi ko ni Jeff, kaya kayong lahat nandito dahil special kayo at naging part kayo, malaking part ng pagsasama namin ni Jeff. So, thank you at naharating kayo sa special day namin.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for that wonderful and heartwarming message to all the participants who came for tonight's lovely event. And at this point, Sir Jeff and Ma'am Ann, I would like to hear some comments and feedback regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Jeff.
Thank you, Stanley, for hosting our event, special event.
Parang di sila namasabi.
Masaya!
Magaling. Sobrang alive nung
Dapat talaga, sir.
Ganyan talaga siya.
ayun, maraming salamat.
Sobrang hinihin niya kasi. Ayun. Thank you kasi maganda yung pagkakahos mo kahit sobrang gulo ng mga guests namin. Ay, special na siya ang pinakamagulo. You made it wonderful. Thank you.
Sabay-sabay tayo. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again our newlywed couple, Jeff and Ann, our Mr. and Mrs. Noguera, who just tied the knot, entered the world of marriage. We would like to acknowledge our food and venue, the Pinoy Turok Alhasam, and for all the decorations as well. Maraming salamat. To all the participants who came for that lovely event, sabay-sabay natin sabihin once again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera. Come on!